Hello, everyone. Welcome to Light Explorers. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of light. I have two wonderful experts with me, Miss C and Mr. G. Are you ready to get started?
Absolutely. I can't wait to share some cool facts about light.
Let's shine some light on these questions.
Great. Here's our first question. What is light?
Light is a type of energy that helps us see everything around us. It travels in waves and comes from sources like the sun, light bulbs, and even fire.
Exactly. And light is super essential for life on Earth. Without it, we wouldn't see colors and the world would be so dark.
Awesome explanations. Now, can you see light? Why or why not?
Yes, we can see the effects of light. When it hits an object, it bounces back to our eyes, allowing us to see things. So we don't see light itself, but the bright things it illuminates.
Right, it's like magic. We actually see the colors of objects because they reflect light. Light makes everything visible.
Wonderful. Moving on to our next question. What do we call things that give off their own light, like the sun and stars?
We call them light sources. The sun is a natural light source, while light bulbs are artificial ones. They both help brighten our days.
Yes. And luminous objects like fireflies create their own light too. Isn't that cool?
So fascinating. Now, what happens when light hits a mirror?
When light hits a mirror, it bounces right back. This is called reflection, and that's why we can see our faces in mirrors.
Absolutely. You could even say mirrors are like magic portals that show us what we look like.
Perfect. Next up, what is a rainbow and how does it relate to light?
A rainbow is a beautiful arc of colors that appears after rain. It happens when sunlight passes through raindrops and bends the light.
Yes. The light split into different colors creates that stunning display. It's like nature's own light show.
That's so colorful. Now, how does light help us see things?
Light illuminates objects, and when it hits them, it reflects into our eyes. Our brains then interpret the light to help us understand what we see.
That's so true. Without light, everything would be super dark, and we wouldn't be able to enjoy all the beautiful things around us.
Great explanations. Now, what do we call the colorful patterns created when light passes through a prism?
The colorful patterns made by a prism are called a spectrum. It shows different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Exactly. It's like a rainbow in your hand. Prism magic shows us all the colors of light.
Wonderful. And why do we wear sunglasses on sunny days?
We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from bright sunlight and harmful UV rays. They keep our eyes safe and comfy.
You got it. Sunglasses also reduce glare, making it easier for us to see outside in that bright sun.
Very informative. Now, what is the name of the invisible light that we can't see but can feel as heat?
The invisible light that we can feel as warmth is called infrared light. It's all around us, even though we can't see it.
Yes. When you feel the warmth from the sun, that's infrared light doing its job, even if we can't spot it.
Excellent points. Finally, can light travel through water? How do you know?
Yes, light can travel through water. When you drop a stick in water, it looks bent at the surface, which shows how light behaves.
That's right. When we look underwater, we see fish and other beautiful things. Water bends light in a cool way.
Wow. Thank you, Miss C and Mr. G, for sharing all this incredible information about light. And thank you, everyone, for joining us today on Light Explorers. Keep exploring, and remember, the world is full of amazing things to discover.
Bye, everyone. Keep shining bright.
Bye, everyone.